I think I have figured out my camera. She only likes natural lighting. She does not like the artificial lights. So we are filming today again with natural lighting, and many of you seem to prefer that. So let's hope that the sun doesn't shift on me before I get done with this video. So we are going to get right into today's video. It is going to be all about what I purchased during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And this was very exciting for me this year because it was the first time I was able to go to a Nordstrom during the anniversary sale. And it was quite the experience. We had a lovely associate walking us around. They take your items, and if you need different sizes, she'll come in and help you. So it was really a nice experience, and being with my niece Ashley, shopping around, it was a lot of fun. Today's video is in collaboration with Nordstrom. You know I love Nordstrom. I shop online with Nordstrom all the time. So let's get to it. Let's share what I purchased during the anniversary sale. I do have, I think, four items coming. I did order a pair of sneakers. I ordered a pair of Tommy Bahama white jeans that were not part of the anniversary sale. And I ordered 2 pair of soft slip-in kind of mule type shoes. I'll insert a picture right here, and I'll also link them below for you so that you can go and look at them. I actually didn't see them when I was in store. I was shopping someplace else a couple days later, and I saw them and I said, oh, those are really cute, tried them on, and thought, I'm going to check out the Nordstrom anniversary sale and see if they have them there. And they did. So I bought 2 pair of those and a couple of other shoes. All right. But first, let's start with what's on my face, on my cheeks. I did purchase the NARS Pleasure Trip Cheek Palette. I really love NARS bronzers, so this was really a great purchase. And I do also love their blushes because you can see they just add a beautiful glow. And when you're an aging woman, that glow is so important. And this is what the product actually looks like. Really nice. And the things I'm going to share with you, most of them are still in stock, my friends. And this is what the packaging looks like on the outside. Again, it is called the Pleasure Trip Cheek Palette. Love it. I purchased the MAC Hint of Coconut Fix Plus package. You get 2 full bottles of the Prep and Prime and a smaller bottle of the Prep and Prime Fix Plus Coconut. It's actually been a while since I have used the MAC Prep and Prime. I always loved it, so I decided to take advantage of that. In store, I don't have any earrings on today. I was going to put these on, but they're so small that I didn't want them to disappear. But these are from Kendra Scott, and I thought they were really, really beautiful. There's 2 small hoops, and then 2 really small post-style earring, and then there's a ear cuff here. I just thought it was a really, really cute set. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There you go. It did come in 2 colors. I liked the more neutral. I do have 3 holes in this ear. A lot of times because my hair is down, you don't see earrings in them. I didn't wear anything today. I thought I was going to put these in, but I think I'm not going to. I'm just going to share them with you. All right, so next up, I did purchase a Jenny Bird necklace, and I'll go ahead and throw this on. I think the necklace is called the Jenny Bird Century Chain Necklace. Unfortunately, I think this sold out very quickly. It did take a while for me to get this piece, or I would have shared it earlier with you. But it's beautiful, and I'll just go ahead and put it on so you can see how pretty it is. I think it just looks beautiful. So I picked that up as well. And I also picked up these 3 necklaces for layering. I just thought they were really, really pretty. This one has and it's more of a matte style gold, which I really like. And it has larger chain links to it. I don't know if it'll focus because my eyes, there you go. So this is the first necklace. The second necklace looks like this. Okay, and then the last one, let me see if I can get this to focus for you. Just has like little baby opals. I hope it's focusing. It's really pretty, really, really pretty. So I picked those up. I also picked up the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. This was really a good deal. It was $49 for 2 of them. And I use primer every single time I put makeup on my face. It's a must. I just think the canvas needs to be prepared. And last but not least in makeup, I did purchase the SUPERGOOP Play. This is the SPF 50 antioxidant body mist. I did purchase this for Lou because he goes through so much sunscreen, and I have always loved SUPERGOOP sunscreen. So that is it for makeup. Now we are going to move on to a couple of other items that I purchased, and then I'm going to let you all get out of here because I need to make more videos. Now the next items Ashley actually found, and I thought, ooh, I'm going to give those a try because you all know I don't really care for the feel of microfiber in my hands, but I do like the way the hair wraps work on absorbing the extra moisture out of your hair because it means less dry time. So they have these waffle terry hair wraps. I'll take this out for you so you can see. It's shaped just like the microfiber ones, but it is a totally different fabric. So I will let you know how these work. It has the button on the edge and the loop on the end. I love these. I immediately put my hair in a turby towel, a wrap, whatever you want to call it, and I let it sit so that most of the moisture is absorbed, which allows me less dry time. We'll try this and let you know. I really do like using these hair wraps because they do absorb a lot of the excess moisture, which means less dry time for you. I did get a gray one and a white one, and these were during the sale. They were $11.90. Outside of the sale, they are $19. So I really, really like this. And this is called Blue Pearl. It's not called gray. And then we have white. And then I really like to have bath wraps for when I get out of the shower. And the ones that I have are all kind of like terry cloth. And those are a little bit, I don't like the way they feel when my skin is wet either. So I decided to try this wrap, and during the anniversary sale, it's $24.90, and outside of the sale, it's $39. But this is the Waffle Terry Bath Wrap, and it's 100% cotton. So I think it will allow my skin to breathe better. As you know, as a menopausal woman, we do not need all that extra moisture. We have enough on our own. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you, and I know many of you are going to think, oh my goodness, she really means business when she likes something. And it's true. Now, I have very difficult feet to fit. I've had surgery, 3 different surgeries in each foot. When I was about 25 years old, I had bunions. I was born in the love canal, my friends. I was born in the love canal, and I guess it kind of affected the way my feet grew. So they say. I don't know if any of it's true. Probably not. But anyway, I do have difficult feet to fit. So when I find a shoe that I like, I buy it in almost every color if it serves my wardrobe. So I needed some new knock-around casual shoes, and they are the hardest for me to find, the knock-around, because I can't wear leather in between my toes. I don't do well with flip-flops. They don't give me enough stability. I find that I trip over flip-flops. I cannot wear a shoe that is all leather and has no breathing room because my feet get very uncomfortable. It doesn't matter. I have a lot of issues with the feet, all right? So when I was with Ashley, we went through the shoe department, and I saw these. And let me find the color that really caught my eye. Here they are. I actually posted these on Instagram, and many of you like them, and one person said those are ugly. Thank you. And another person said they look like plastic. They are not plastic. They are a leather-made shoe. The bottom is synthetic. It's rubber. But the top it's a suede. It's a leather suede, and it's beautiful. So allow me to show it to you. Now, these are for knocking around. These are for grocery store. These are for shopping. These aren't for date night, okay? These are for everyday living, my friends, okay? Some people can't wear high heels, and other people can, okay? But I can wear high heels, but for very limited. I can't wear high heels walking all around. My feet don't allow me because of the surgeries. I'm lucky I can even get heels on after my surgery. So back to the shoes. These are the most comfortable shoes, and they are from Ilse Jacobson Hornbeck. And this is the shoe. I absolutely love it. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see. Those are little holes. You can see my fingers through there. So the shoe has a lot of breathing. It's very flexible, which I like. It has an elastic on the side, which allows if you have wider feet or while you're walking, it has some give, which I really like. I like the design of the shoe. Let me get that so it can focus on the shoe. I'll bring it closer to you. So that is what the shoe looks like. Let me turn it slowly so you can see it from a side view. They look like little rainbows on it to me, but they're very, very comfortable. And here's what's important, and maybe it'll be important for many of you, and I did get the size 7 in these. They don't come in half sizes. I would have liked the 6.5, that's my true size, but I did get the size 7 because I wear a good feet insert. This easily comes out, my friends. Now, this does have a little cushioning on its own, but if you wear an insert, my insert goes underneath a foam pad that is made for the insert, and they work perfectly. I have to have the insert because of the arch. Now, if I were to wear these shoes all day without my insert, they may create a slight stress fracture in the arch. But I love them, my friends. I absolutely love them. So allow me to share the other colors that I got. So for the individual that said they are ugly or they look like plastic, they are not jellies, my friends. They are not jellies. These are well-made shoes, all right? I did get them in white. I am not a white shoe person, but I thought these will look really cute when I have something that I need a white shoe for. So I got it. All right. And I should say these shoes, I think during the sale are like $54. After the sale, I think they are like 78 or 88. I don't really remember the exact price, and it's not on here. All right. So the next color that I got is the navy and white, which is really, really nice. So navy and white. I love them. I love them. It's a soft suede, again, so flexible. I love it. And they have, it looks like the sole is actually sewn on. It's a cute shoe, my friend, and has nice gripping for those of you who need a little more security. Sometimes that rubber sole can get in the way, though, so make sure that you do try to walk with them a little bit before you actually buy them, or walk with them, buy them and then take them home and walk on your carpet to make sure that you don't trip, because sometimes rubber bottoms do create a problem. I also got this color. It's called Army. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Beautiful shoe, my friends. Call them ugly, say they look plastic. I love them. Therefore, I shall wear them. And the last pair I got, let's see. What color? I got the black and white, of course. We need to have black and white. I love them, my friends. I love them. And I know many of you will as well. And that is everything that I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I really enjoyed shopping in store. Oh no, I'm sorry. I did buy some something yoga. I forgot. They're in the laundry because I already wore them. Some of the yoga tops, I'm not sure they're still in stock, but they were, maybe it was Sweaty Betty, or the something yoga, it's a brand. I'll link them below for you, my friend. They are like butter. They are so soft, so nice. And what I really like about the exercise tops that I got is that they come down a little bit longer and they're loose flowing. I don't like anything tight on me other than my exercise pants. That is the only thing. This piece of hair, if I had a pair of scissors, I'd cut her off right now because she's annoying me. Anyway, I really do like them. They're very, very soft, and they're sleeveless, which I like, because you gotta see the muscle to stay motivated. And when you have sleeveless, you can really see the muscle. What else? I think, like I said, I ordered a pair of Tommy Bahama jeans that were not in the sale, but I just love them. They are like butter. They are so soft and buttery, and they run a little bit bigger in the thigh area, which I need, because, you know, I carry a lot of junk in my thighs. And I think I may have gotten either Sorel sneakers or the DC sneakers. I'm not sure. I think it might be those DC sneakers. I got them in a pink, but they haven't come yet. They may end up sold out. I don't know, but I will list and link everything for you. All right, as I mentioned, I did buy a few dresses, but they just did not work for me. And I bought some Zella exercise tops, but I didn't realize they were waist length. And I don't do well with that because when I lift, I don't like my belly showing. So not in the gym. Well, not out in public either. Anyway, all right, I'm going to let you go. Let me know down in the comments, what did you purchase during the Nordstrom anniversary sale? Are you going to take advantage of any of the things that are still in stock? You know me, I might end up back on that website picking out a few more items. I also wanted to mention that I am wearing a CC top. A lot of the CC tops are in the anniversary sale, and I think many of them are left. This one is actually an older one. I've had it for a while, but I do believe that this same blouse is available in the sale, just a different pattern. So if I can find that, if there are some still left in stock, I'll also link those below for you. All right, friends, I'm gonna let you go. I'd like to thank Nordstrom again for collaborating with me. If you haven't already subscribed, on your way out, hit that subscribe button and the bell. That'll notify you of all the videos that I'm putting up. In the comments, share if you made any purchases. I love to read from all of you. All right, my friends, go out in the world and be lovable. And remember, I love you all. Bisous.